Mishimoto.
So this is the current diffuser I have. Everybody has this one. It's like 30 bucks to 50, and this is like the standard one. You'll probably see this on every Accord, so I like to be a little bit more different. Like, no one has these side stuff either. I get people asking me all the time. This cost me about like $250 for each side. If you want to get those, you can get it from K Playground. I messed up and went to someone else he was selling it, and he sold it for even more. So I think it was like 300 actually, and they're selling it for like 250. That's what it was. But yeah, this diffuser I'm taking out, and I'm replacing it with the carbon fiber one. Alright guys, so there was something I didn't realize. So this has to come out. All of this needs to come out, and over here it needs to come out too. And you can just take it out with the tabs are with a tool like this. So first you gotta work out the corners on these sides, and then on that side you gotta unclip it. Let's see if I can show you guys underneath. So I believe it was right here. You gotta take out the clip, and same thing on the other side. And then right over here you gotta take out a screw. There you guys can see. Like right here. You gotta take out the screw from the other side. So the reason why I had to take all this stuff off was because this clips in, this whole diffuser clips into this spot. I didn't know that. I thought it was just one of those, you know, like the old one, they just stick right on with the 3M tape, and then you screw it at the bottom. But this actually goes on like that. Alright guys, so I was able to get this thing on. It took a little bit just because I had to take this piece off, and the same thing on the other side. Right here I gotta take it off and then put it right back on after I put this on here. So everything is basically done. I'm gonna do a better shot when I get outside. I'm actually gonna record another clip of me doing something else in a future video for you guys right now. Alright guys, so that does the video for today. For this old piece, if you want it, you can have it for free. If you live local here in Mass, you can have it. If you don't live in Mass, you just have to pay for shipping, and I'll send it out to you for free. And you do have to get 3M tape as well, and the screws as well. The screws about that size. You can use any screw, it doesn't really matter. You can probably just use another one down here and you'll be good. But that ends the video there.